The Netherlands is now the third largest export market for Kenya and the fourth largest foreign investor here in Kenya. We salute you, Excellency. We salute all the companies, some of which are represented here, for trusting us and having faith in Kenya and therefore investing in Kenya.
Very shortly from now, President Ruto will visit the Netherlands to strengthen those ties. And my Minister of Foreign Affairs, together with his Belgian and Luxembourg colleagues, will visit Kenya. More engagements are to come. In conclusion, today we celebrate excellent relations. With all difficulties and sobering developments in our countries and around us, Kenya and the Netherlands can rely on each other and will engage even more to find common solutions for the developmental, economic and stability challenges we both face.